Hey guys, back with an update on the MB5. As you can see, we had a bit of an accident when the oil tank fell off sometime when I was at work. Spent most of this week just cleaning that up. Got parts coming from CSMNL to replace this. That right there, I think it's a filter, appears to have broken. Right there. Plug the battery in because putting in the new tack, which is just a mess. New headlight got wired up and it worked for a minute. Have the brakes for the 175, or the brake light, I mean, wired in, and it'll come on. So I've got something right here. I took off that turn signal because I've got all new ones coming in, and I did replace the brake discs or pads, sorry, on the front. And I installed the new master cylinder and lever, and that all seems to be working fine. Put in the air filter, and got the new brake shoes on. And this was jammed. Now it's working just fine. Got half this tire off, as you can see. Got new tires coming, so by the time I do the next update, hopefully, I don't think I'll have new tires. They won't ship till late August. Hopefully though, I'll have new turn signals. I forgot everything I bought on this next one. New brake light, I believe, and some other things. Mostly, I want that stuff to be able to work, the electronics, the lights, so that I can see when I'm wiring here what I'm doing wrong. 'Cause clearly I'm doing something wrong if they're now just falling off. So hopefully next time it'll be better looking shape than this. Probably won't be a whole lot closer to riding it. Need to figure out where to make the seat, and then getting the tires mounted. Not looking forward to that, but you know, hopefully the weather will cooperate soon. Anyway, see you guys in the next one.